Ladies and gentlemen, everybody wants a big fancy house, right? So, by the grace of God, I got a 3-story home right here that I own, debt free and clear. This house takes 3 units. There's a unit here. I have to replace this unit right here. On the other side of the house, which is where I'm going to take you, is the 3rd unit, right? Now, the price to replace that unit, it varies because they have different units, but you can get it as low as like $9,000. And then if you want the Hashitashi 3000 with all the bells and whistles and eco this and save money on your bill, it goes as high as like $16,000, $17,000, right? So here's the 2nd unit. So there's a unit for every floor of the house. So 3 stories, 3 units. What if out of nowhere you got hit? Because not recently, within the last 5 years, I had to switch out the other 2 units just because it was time on this house, right? And the house is not old. The house is 15 years old, but I don't consider that to be an old house. Never mind all the junk that I have here, just being real. Here's what I want you to take away from this, all right, is I'm able to comfortably pay for this because of digital products. I haven't had a job since 2014, right? I had to really think about that. So I haven't had a job since 20,000, right? Since 2014. And I'm able to still afford this. So life is going to keep life in regardless. I know people that work a 9-to-5 job that don't have the skill of knowing how to sell things for themselves, but yet they go to work every day. They work 40 plus hours a week. And if they had an emergency, like it was just time to replace their air conditioning unit, or heaven forbid, the hot water heater, or right here, I had a plumbing issue, it's fixed now, but I still got to wait on the guy to come there and fix that, right? Little things like that that can add up to be tens of thousands of dollars can cost you real money. So, of course, I'm not somebody here that has like a Bugatti, right? This is a degular car. I have some investment properties. I'm going to go there. And if you guys follow me, you'll see those properties as well. But I'm an average person trying to build wealth. And I'm doing that successfully because I learned this skill, which is selling. And I want to teach you how to sell things. I want to teach you how to create your own digital products and sell them, how to sell more of your services, how to sell more of your physical products, because that's something that I honestly believe will change your life. I truly believe everything in your life gets better when you get better in sales. So you can sell yourself to a better job and get more income on that job. Sell yourself if you're looking for a spouse, convincing them why they should give you a chance versus everybody else that think they're attractive too, and just make more money, better your health. Everything comes or everything improves once you get better at sales. I'm a country boy from the Carolinas. If I can do it, so can you. And click the link somewhere around this ad. Of course, you guys can tell I don't really know how to make an ad. I just came and spoke from my heart. I'll see you guys on the inside.